Wholesalers, you suck because you cannot get your marketing consistent and dialed in. You're sitting there constantly, having a good week on marketing and then a bad week on marketing. You don't have consistent lead flow, and that's why you don't have consistent deal flow, and that's why your life sucks. If you're sick and tired of doing 2, 3, 4, 5 deals a month, then get your shit together and get your marketing dialed in. Once you do this, you will become a millionaire and your life will get a lot simpler. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure this out. You put the best quality leads in front of great people and you make a lot of money. That is 80% of our business. So if I can go ahead and impart 2 things on you, it's 1, quality leads, quality people. 7-figure cartel, we're gonna break down exactly how to do your marketing button by button by button. And then once you got marketing set up, we're gonna take you from where you are right now to that 30+ deal a month mark. If you're sick and tired of being on the hamster wheel, waiting for closings to happen, you're stuck not able to really scale your business, it's because you're a few tweaks away from getting your marketing dialed in, getting your people dialed in, and getting your systems dialed in. And that's what's holding you from the life that you want and the life that you deserve. So click the link below, schedule a call with my team, and we'll see you on the inside.